என் தாய் தந்தைக்கும் தமிழுக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். இருள் நீங்கி ஒளிபிறக்கும் இந்நன்னாளில் அன்பும் ஒற்றுமையும் பொங்கும். ஒளியால் எங்கள் இதயங்கள் மலரட்டும். ஒளியின் திருநாள் நல்லிணக்கத்தின் திருநாளாக நம் அனைவரையும் இணைக்கட்டும். அனைவருக்கும் இனிய தீபாவளி திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Feels powerful, filled with light, love and community spirit. It's my pleasure to welcome our distinguished guest, Honorable Fiona Simpson MP.
That's right. It's going to be Queensland Police Services performance, which is going to be very exciting. I'm super thrilled. Are you thrilled, Vanessa?
Yes, I'm very much thrilled. Now, please welcome the Queensland Police Service for a tremendous.
Thank you for joining me. So I have a very special news to tell you all. It's an absolute honor to be here today to celebrate a program and people who truly embody resilience, inclusion and empowerment, values that shape the very heart of our community. The Get Ready program, led by Multicultural Australia, is an outstanding initiative designed to support individuals from diverse backgrounds in building confidence, capability and readiness for the meaningful employment. As the lead partner, Multicultural Australia brings its deep expertise in guiding and supporting people from all walks of life and helping them navigate the systems, connect with opportunities and thrive in workplaces where their skills and stories are valued. In partnership with the Australian Federal Police, Queensland Police Service and Queensland Correctional Service, this program goes a step further, not only preparing participants for work, but also offering invaluable insights into what a career within the policing look like. It opened doors for participants to understand the importance of rehabilitation, integrity and community safety, while also showing them that diversity within the sector strengthens the system as a whole. One of the most inspiring success stories come from this collaboration is that of Monisha Karthik. Monisha's journey stands as a powerful example of what can be achieved when courage meets opportunity. Through the Get Ready program, she explored her potential built his skills, and has now proudly joined the Queensland Correctional Service as a custodial correctional officer. Please join me in congratulating Manisha. Today, empowerment begins with belief. Belief in ourselves, belief in the system that uplifts us. She has shown that this is possible to embrace both family and career, and to do so in a way that opens pathway for other women to follow. Thank you, Manisha, for that. Now, congratulations.
TAQ past presidents, Mr. Balasubramaniam Govindasamy Nair, Mr. Shrey Jendra Kumar, Mr. Ansar Mohammed, and Mr. Pandi Deva. On stage, please.
Tanishka Shamlugashbash.